How to fix PUBG network lag detected error. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on Network and Sharing Center. Then, in here on the left side, click on Change Adapter Settings. After you've clicked on Change Adapter Settings, click on the network you're connected to. Right-click on it, then go to Properties at the bottom. After you've clicked on Properties, in here search for Internet Protocol version 4. Then make sure there's no tick mark and press on OK at the bottom. After you have done that, again, simply right-click on your Wi-Fi and then click on Properties. And add tick mark in the same option, which is Internet Protocol. Then at the bottom, click on Properties. After you click on Properties in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Use the following DNS server addresses and add 888.8 and 4444. After you have done that, press on OK at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. Then, another thing what you can do is open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, simply type in as shown on the screen. Simply type in ipconfig //DNS. Press on Enter, then type in net sh and winsock. Then press on Enter. After that, you can restart your device and then your problem will be fixed. And this is how to fix PUBG network lag detected error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.